Hi, my name's Jack from Jack and the Wolf here in the UK. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a textured haircut with really exaggerated lengths, and I want to share with you my favourite KMS products for really bringing out texture in a haircut. So I've pre-cut Apex's hair, but I'm going to finish off by cutting his fringe. Now when I prepped his hair, I used the MOISTREPAIR Leave-In Conditioner. Now I love using this product as a cutting aid because especially when I'm working with cutting texture, it allows me to keep the integrity of the hair. So this is the finished haircut on Apex. Now this haircut has got so much texture in it, but to really bring that out, I need to use the KMS Molding Paste. So this is the final result of the haircut I've done on Apex, and I finished it off with the HAIRPLAY Molding Paste. Now, when I'm working on photo shoots or when I work on London Fashion Week, molding paste is always my go-to product. It's so versatile, and I love the fact that you can rework it, it doesn't leave any residue in the hair, and it's perfect for all hair textures. Molding paste is one of my favourite products. So even though the molding paste has fantastic hold, sometimes I like to finish off with the HAIRSTAY Working Hairspray just to give it a little bit more longevity and to keep that little bit of extra hold. So that's it, I hope you like it. Now stay tuned every week for more videos on our KMS Pro channel.